Oh man, listen up everybody. Excited, booming kid voice, like I'm spilling the beans on a super secret swear word. This is the story of a silly song that grew up to be a big bad lesson. Picture this, way back when, in a dusty camp full of mosquitoes and bad s'mores. A bunch of grown-ups taught us kids a twisted tune. It went like this, singing loudly, and off-key, this land is my land. This land ain't your land. I got a shotgun. You ain't got one. Haha, I thought it was just goofy, grown-up pretend time, like playing cowboys, but with banjos. But nope. Turns out, it was dead serious, like property law without the happy strumming. See, the real This Land Is Your Land by Woody Guthrie was already a sneaky comeback to God Bless America, which was all sunshine and rainbows. Woody was like, hey, there's a fence here, folks, but our camp version. Straight to the point. Own it or get shotgunned. Rights aren't just nice words, we agree. Aren't they backed by someone who can stop you? The gun. The exclamation point. Bang, pushy. Don't tell mum this song went underground for years. Like a spooky potato buried in the backyard, waiting to sprout eyes and scare everyone. Then, poof. It pops up again, and we're all like, why does this feel so now? 'Cause in modern life, we hid the scary stuff. We outsourced the boom booms to cops, security guards, fancy agencies, and those smiley corporate folks who could wreck your house faster than a bad fart. HR vet's a gun that learned to make slides. We stopped seeing the stick, so we thought the carrot was boss. Force turned into paperwork, and we forgot. Process ain't power, it's just fancy wrapping. Then boom. Enter the empowered consumer era. Everything got squishy like overripe bananas. Employees became team members, then partners, then brand ambassadors who sob in the freezer while flipping burgers. The customer is always right, which is code for please don't sue us, it'll cost a fortune. Managers reward tantrums, so Karens everywhere learn. Push harder, win prizes. It works at the store, so your brain, that goofy labradoodle on training wheels, thinks, hey, this must work everywhere. I'll call your manager. Turns into I'll challenge everything. The meme spreads like wildfire. But hold up. Giggling mischievously, here's where it gets naughty and important. The gun sneaks back on stage, and the song switches to a scary key. Escalation. It means different stuff in different playgrounds. In retail, yelling gets you free stuff leverage. In paperwork land, it just slows things down delay. But in gunland, escalation equals threat. That's the big cliff, kids. Your complaint script assumes there's a manager who cares about your Yelp review. But armed folks, they're not customer service. They don't give refunds, they sort threats. Bring your store tantrum remote into force zone. You're not brave, you're using the TV clicker on the microwave. Zap. And get this, people think this is some detective story. But no, it's a meme pattern. Stuff like moral high-fiving, buddy up against do, bad guy logic, crowd cheers, and political echo chambers. Not left or right, just human brains glitch, trained by likes and refunds. Folks strut into force fields with social media shields and narrative capes. But reality. No appeals desk. It's like a dimmer switch. A little crazy idea, then bigger story override, then full denial of physics. At the end, people think being right is bulletproof. Okay. Cameras, magic shields. Slogans, super armor. Wrong. A bullet doesn't read your protest sign and go, oopsie, my mistake, you win. That camp song knew. Power doesn't care about your feelings, it reacts to threats. Oh, And speaking of smarty pants survival, whisper yelling excitedly weaker gorillas are way smarter than those Karen logic users. They don't challenge the stronger gorilla head-on. No, they play it cool, sneak around, live to banana another day. Karens, they poke the big silverback and yell, "Manager!" Boom's grish gorillas, get it. Pick your fights, or end up as Jungle Jam. We swapped the old lesson for speak truth to power. Challenge everything. Your voice matters. All good and squishy zones. Perth. We forgot to teach spot the zone. So now, complaint scripts crash into gun zone's context. Snoosh! It doesn't care if you're a hero in your head. It just leaves a mess. You're not wrong, eerily. And early looks bonkers while the old tune plays. But the gun tawdy curtain call fade out with maniacal kid laughter.